Hi everyone, I've got few questions about how to join two different levels. So one subscriber asked me about mobile home. There was some joint and how to do it. I don't have exactly same video what he asked me, but right here is the new added part of house. It's higher than old one, and joint was covered by the MDF. I remove MDF and then patch it with Plani patch that lower spot, and when it's dry I apply primer and level it with straight edge. With straight edge very easy to do it because I'm using 10 feet straight edge because it's when I did leveling from one to another side, it's approximately level, so it's not sloping, it's not one side higher or lower, so this is pretty much level. Just need to make straight connection. So how to use straight edge? So you just using straight edge and trowel help you spread the self-leveling compound to the sides which is without compound. So because if you apply to one place, you have to spread to whole the length of the straight edge. That's why trowel really helpful. And to make a nice surface like you see here, like mirror, you have to slide straight edge to one side and then go back slightly and go another one. So when you do like this, you can get the same result like what I have it. In this week I met with my subscribers on one job site. They're doing tiles, and we talk about how to use tripods, self-leveling tripods, and I saw on the main and second floor there was some part of leveling, and it looks like that leveling was without primer, because for example you see here when I am doing leveling, you can see around green color. This is Mapei Primer, which is showed you, is it covered or not, this spot with primer. Why need primer? Because primer help you better bonding. I haven't seen any borders or primer on the subfloor, and when I asked tile guys what they want to do, what kind of installation, they said here should be glue down installation. Glue down installation, if it's self-leveling compound put in without primer, can be pop up. Guys, make sure you anytime you put in primer on subfloor. This is the key of your quality job. My message to all of you who is doing professional leveling or doing by yourself one time or a couple of times, when you do some repairs, don't forget put primer. It's really needed, because without primer old and new concrete or concrete and wood not bonding together properly, and it can be pop up. So if you put one coat of self-leveling compound and then going to do it another time, so anyway, if it's fresh, just you did leveling like yesterday or 2 days ago, and you think, oh, it's fresh, I can apply another coat of self-leveling compound. It can bond in very well. You have to put primer. Do it, because you can protect by yourself from a future problem. If it's I saw many times when guys apply self-leveling compound over the floor and not using primer, it's all this concrete pop up. Just do it. I hope this video was helpful, and now you understood you have to use primer. Not only like on my videos, if I'm using Mapei and I'm using primer, Mapei Primer, but you're not using Mapei, you're using different brands, and if it's different brands you don't have to use primer. No, for each self-leveling compound you have to use primer which is recommended by that manufacturer, and it's really important for better bonding of this material. Don't hesitate to ask me question, I always answer you. See you on next video.